Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno Pova Curve 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Press the volume up and power button together. And now tap to power off Tecno Pova Curve 5G. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it, do not release. And when the Tecno logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see guys, here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see on bottom here you can see data wipe complete. So now after it, simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Tecno Pova Curve 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.